Super, Murli, you give a lot of gyan to entrepreneurs here. You've kind of helped so many people make lots of money. I'm not interested in asking any questions on the entrepreneurs because they have already learned enough from you, and some of them are taking action, some of them are not taking. Forget all of them. Now let's come to kids, okay? The future generation, okay? So if you were to give a if you were to really communicate and give a message to the future generation, okay, what is it that you would say? Because we're going through really tough times, right? You don't know what, if you really look at careers 10 years from now, you really don't know how it's going to be spanning out, right? So a lot of kids are going through this, like, what do I choose, how, what do I make out of myself? So for such kids, what is it that you would want to share? So the age group I'm talking of is somewhere around 18 to 22 types.
Stop listening from your parents, from your teachers, from your friends, from social media or media. Do listen, but do not obey. Just listen to your inner self and do what your inner self tells you to do.
And how do you listen to the inner self?
Oh, just when you calm yourself and explore yourself. Go ahead and explore yourself. Go ahead and explore yourself completely. Experience life fully. You will find your true nature. Because ultimately what has happened for our generation, okay, what has happened? Our parents pushed us to study something because they thought that that's the best thing. And at that time, we never had that much amount of exposure or information overload like how we have now. And after 10 years or 15 years of working in corporate world, see what is happening to everyone. They say, no, that is not my passion. I'm not seeing happiness over there. I will do something else. And they quit the job and they come back and do what they're passionate at 35, 40, when the whole youth is gone completely inside them. So instead of that, why don't you do it right now? Just start right now. Explore yourself. What is maximum going to happen? Because I believe that every 10 years, all of us are going to continuously change only. Our thoughts, our beliefs, our ability to think, and the way in which we look forward, our life, everything is changing in every century. Just one small virus has changed everyone's thought process itself in the whole world. No one would have ever thought like that, right? So obviously, it's all going to change only. So why you break your head too much? Just explore and experience life. When you experience life fully, you will know more about you. Probably instead of learning more about your core strength at the age of 40, how about you experiencing it and learning that within 25? Just imagine that within 25, you know that. The next 25 years, the way in which you will contribute for the whole humanity will be far better than you do something at 40 and 50 and 60. So that's, if you ask me personally, I will always suggest just do it. Yeah.
The greatest roadblock to this is parents. Okay.
I've gone mad. Parents in will think, oh my goodness, don't put my kid in front of this guy.
No, that's what I'm saying now. The biggest roadblock to this is parents and their own insecurities. So if you went to unabashingly say something to parents on this show, what would you want to say, including you being a parent?
See, a job of a parent, what's the job of a parent is to create a platform or an environment for that soul to blossom. The child who has a soul inside, because every soul is born to blossom, okay, to experience their real purpose in life. Okay? So our job as a parent is not to install our belief inside. We didn't become a doctor, my kid has to become a doctor. I could not become an engineer, so he has to become an engineer. Because they are not your extension of your body or mind. Okay? They are a different soul. So our job as a parent is to give them the ambience, the platform, in which they explore and experience themselves. For that, the parents have to become more open. They have to drop down their fear and their anxieties. Why? This generation is far more smarter because of evolution. Because of evolution, they are actually smarter than you or your grandparents. So you need to trust the evolutionary process and give them the platform, give them that ambience, give them that atmosphere, in which they will blossom from inside. They will explore and enrich. So parents should drop their fears, their anxieties, what will happen to their child's future. They will always live better than you. Always they will live better than you. Provided you give them the right value, the right atmospheres. Okay? And how will you give that? Only when you do a role modeling to them. They actually learn from you. And the only way children learn from parents is by example and example and example. You are the role model over there. And if you are not going to role model over there, obviously you have failed miserably as a parent. So best is be a role model, okay? And grow along with the child. Grow along with the child. Many parents do not grow. Only child is growing, parent is there only.
They're growing
So
in
these are some
another
of my...
way. Absolutely.
Yeah, they're going the other way.